This is the NAVIFORCE NF9203 Blue Dial Edition. It runs on a Japanese quartz movement. Accurate, reliable, and built to last. The case is made of zinc alloy, and the silver-gold combination gives it a classy look. The backside is stainless steel, and the watch is water-resistant up to 3 ATM, so it's safe for daily use, like washing hands or light rain. It has a scratch-resistant mineral glass that stays clear and shiny for a long time. With a 44mm dial size, it feels comfortable and stylish on the wrist. The blue dial looks classy and elegant. When light hits it, the sunray pattern shines beautifully. You also get a day and date display at 3 o'clock. Neat and practical. And yes, it has luminous hands and markers. The stainless steel strap feels strong and premium. It comes with a folding clasp that's secure and easy to use. Overall, the build quality feels solid and stylish. This blue dial watch looks perfect with formal or casual outfits. Great for office, parties, or daily wear. It looks far more expensive than it really is. And the best part, it costs only 1,499 rupees on jainixiwatches.com. So, this is the beautiful NAVIFORCE NF9203 Blue Dial Watch. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jainixi Watches.